Now, when planning a trip, your screen is filled with 20 different tabs. You've got blogs, review sites, YouTube videos, Instagram reels, and your spreadsheet itinerary, it's just a perfect mess. But that spreadsheet isn't actually helping you get organized. It's the very thing that's destroying your vacation before it even starts. And that's why we built Yopki, because planning your 1-week vacation shouldn't take you an entire month. Now, Yopki is an AI-powered travel platform that does hours of research and creates a perfectly planned trip for you in seconds. It combines instant AI suggestions for activities and food while giving you full control to customize your plans. Since I'm a visual learner, my favorite feature is the map. Now you can overlay your entire trip on a map to design a logistically sound itinerary and even see nearby recommendations. Also, you can see your itinerary in a calendar view and know what time slots are open. Do you have a gap in your schedule? Just highlight it on the calendar and our AI will find a personalized set of events, saving you time and maximizing your enjoyment on your vacation. Now, when collecting feedback from our test users, it was very clear that you need a different set of tools when you're on the trip compared to when you're planning your trip. When you're on your trip, you need quick access to your itinerary on the go, not complex planning tools like the desktop version of Yopki has. And that's why we've designed a dedicated mobile experience for on-the-ground priorities when you're traveling, such as knowing the timing of everything on a calendar view, and having access to your uploaded tickets and notes, and being able to access everything on Google and Yelp with just one click. And to make it accessible to everyone on the trip, no matter what type of phone they have, we built it as a progressive web app. Thank you so much for watching and check us out at yopki.com. We'd love for you to build your trip with Yopki. It's 100% free. And please share your feedback with us in the comments below. Your support means a lot to us and we can't wait to hear what you think.